Python?
Python! Python!
Let's install Python.
Step 1. Open your browser. If the browser you open is Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Go home. This video is not for you. Oh, that's more like it. Next, search for Python. Click on download the latest version. Click download. Open the installer file. Click install now. Install now. Push install now. Install now. Now. Push yes. Now you wait. This taskbar right here, you wait patiently. It's almost there. Wait. You can do it. Just a little bit longer. Now, click disable path length limit.
Disable!
Push yes. Setup is now complete. Type environment variables after we've installed Python. We're going to click edit the environment variables. Next, click environment variables. Select path. Click edit. Click new. You're going to copy in the path of Python. To find Python, you're going to open your file explorer. Go to the top, type app data. We're going to click app data, click local, click programs, click Python 311, right click, copy as path. We're going to go back into environment variables, click new, paste it in here, remove the quotations, and then move this one all the way to the top. Click OK, click OK. Then we're going to restart. We're going to open command prompt, type Python, and we are in Python.